If your chords sound like this, don't worry, it's not your fault. I've been helping beginners make their guitar sound better for over 25 years, and I found that most people are making one of these 3 simple mistakes. In this video, I'll help you fix them so your guitar sounds clean and confident again. Hi, my name's Chris and welcome to Guitar With Me. Mistake number 1, your fingers are too flat. When your fingers collapse like this, they accidentally touch other strings, and that's what causes that messy, muted sound. Now here's the fix. Curve your fingers like you're holding a small ball. You want to come up with the fingertips and not on the pads. You should hear this instead. Mistake number 2, you're too far away from the fret. If your finger is back here, you'll need way more pressure, and you'll often get buzzing. Here's the fix. Move your finger just behind the fret. Now here are the same chords. It's a much better sound and it requires less effort. Mistake 3, pressure and thumb position. So there's either not enough pressure or your thumb is in the wrong place. If your thumb is too high or lazy, your fingers can't press properly. Here's the fix. Place your thumb roughly behind the neck, around the middle. You don't need loads of force, just enough for a clean sound. So a quick recap. Remember to curve your fingers, stay close to the fret, and fix your thumb position. Do just these 3 things and your chords will instantly sound cleaner. And if your chords still sound messy when switching between them, that's the next thing you need to fix. And if you want to learn your first full song in the next 7 days, I've got a beginner guitar community that walks you through it step by step. The link is in the description below. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks very much and I'll see you next time.